Good evening, everyone. It's Rachel here with a very late video and an Etsy. That's a new one, an Etsy update. We have some new Christmas kits in, and they have been already printed on fabric, but I have to cut the fabrics up, photograph them, and prepare the packs. So those will be coming in the next few days, so keep an eye out. I put them in the new section. Oh, I saw a mozzie, but it's on the other side of the window. Thank goodness. Okay, so let's have a look at our new kits that Steffi designed. I gave him the material and he went to town with it. So kit 8 is a horizontal kit. And of course they coordinate well into the other kits and I absolutely love them. And I am soon going to be working on Christmas journals. I may film my process but not start putting the videos up yet, because I also want to do other types of journals to also work on my poor failing list. So I mean, look, these are just gorgeous, and I can tell you what, the fabrics, especially this one, are just beautiful. I love the colors. So that is the first kit. 8 pages as usual. They are already in my shop. If you can't find them, just click on the new section. Thank you, Janie, for your clever suggestion. And they are there, easy to find, but you should see them at the front. Oh, little girl outside staring at me talking. She's thinking, why are you talking to yourself? Okay, so then we have a document style kit. Let me just move it up. And again, gorgeous. Thank you, Steffi. This one. Oh, some of them I've already printed on the other side because my printer has been making me very unhappy. The one on the Insta Ink, it's not telling me when things are going wrong with it all the time. So very dissatisfied with that printer. I think I'm going to have to, don't know what to do. My window of being able to send it back has closed. So I'm going to see if I can send it back and get a different one because I'm not happy with it. It prints nicely, but it takes like all day. Just to print these pages probably take 4 hours to do that, and then something happens and it uses up my pages, my Insta Ink pages, and it's just a disaster. Okay, so that is the document style kit. And then because I love the background so much, I did ask Stef, can you please do them without Christmas on them? So let's see what he came up with, because I haven't even had a chance to look at them. So this is the horizontal one. I mean, they're not just Christmas. I've put them in as Christmas backgrounds, kit 2 and 3. But honestly, you could use them at any time of the year, because look at this. Isn't that glorious? Just glorious. And this one, oh, that one has holly. You could always cover it up with a bit of lace if you wanted to use that page. This one's certainly not Christmas without their Christmas embellishments, and then, or you got Santa's there, but again you could put a trim across that. So obviously these pages can be used at any time of the year. And that is the last one. Absolutely love those. And then we have the vertical one. So background kit 3 is the vertical one. Background kit 2 is Christmas, always, even though they're not overly Christmassy, just the colors except for the holly. Yeah, they're in the Christmas, in the new section, and then they'll go into the Christmas section. So I'll just show you the pages. Absolutely love them. Now, we haven't done as of yet any ephemera. I will see if I can get onto that. I haven't had much time for anything lately, so it's all very difficult task for me to get things done, but I will try my best. Okay, so those are our new kits. I hope you like them. They are in my Etsy shop, and I did not get a crafty video done today. It's just been one of those days, but I will be back at some point. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.